Hello lovely friends, welcome back to Onyx Food Hill. I'm really glad having you again. Today I'm bringing you an interesting video. You're going to see how to make castor oil at home. In order to make castor oil at home, you will need castor seeds. Okay, here are my castor seeds which we are going to use to make the oil. It's important to roast your castor seeds before extracting oil from this. What I'm just going to do is to place a pan on heat, then bring the castor seeds into the pan. I'm going to be roasting my castor seeds on medium heat at 140 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Roasting castor seeds helps to destroy the poisonous substance found in the seed, which is known as resin. So it's important you roast it first before you extract the oil from the seed. Castor oil has so many healthy benefits. It helps to stimulate hair growth and also helps to prevent dry scalp. Okay, when roasting your castor seeds, ensure you stand close by so they don't get burned. And once you have achieved a nicely and evenly brown seeds like this, you can turn off your heat and allow the seeds to cool down completely. Once the castor seeds have cooled down, I'm just going to bring this into the blender and blend into a very smooth paste. So I'm going to be blending this in batches. I'm going to add a little water into this to make it easy for blending. So I'm just going to start blending this right away. After blending this, I'm going to pour this out and continue blending the rest. I find it very easy blending this way. Adding water to the castor seed to blend, it blends faster and it gives me a very smooth paste like this. Once I've added the blended paste to a pan, I'm going to add enough water to it to dilute the paste to make it runny. Okay, once it's runny like this, you can stop adding your water. Now I'm going to be boiling this on medium heat, so I'm just going to turn on my heat right away. The content has started boiling. All I'm just going to do is to keep stirring this intermittently as it cooks. Okay guys, I've been heating this for the past 40 minutes. The reason why I heated this was to allow the oil to be released from the paste, because castor oil is a very thick and viscous oil, so if you don't heat it, the oil will not be released. At this moment, what I'm going to do is to strain off the chaff from this light liquid. What I'm just going to do right away is to scoop the whole paste into a strainer. I'm going to pass this over a strainer to hold back the chaff. After straining this, we now have the liquid here in the pot. Okay, this is the chaff we have removed from the paste. I'm going to discard this. We don't need this anymore. Here is the mixture we have just separated. It contains the oil. I'm going to transfer this into a container. So in order to separate the oil, we are going to freeze this to allow the oil to come to the top. So I'm just going to place a lid over this, then leave it in the freezer to freeze. So guys, 4 hours later of freezing this, you will notice some layers form. So I'm just going to, after taking off the lid, okay, so this is the oil form at the top. All I'm just going to do is to scoop the oil from the water. This is the fastest way of separating castor oil. It's very easy and it saves time and fuel. Okay, you don't have to burn all your gas trying to evaporate the liquid. So this is just what I'm going to do. Next, I'm going to place this on heat and allow the water to evaporate. Okay, once the particles inside have dried and the water has evaporated, I've just turned off my heat and I'm going to leave this to cool down completely. Once the castor oil has cooled down, I'm going to pass this over a strainer. Guys, you can use your castor oil for making body cream, facial cream, and you can use it for making soap, for making paints, disinfectants, and antiseptics. Okay, this was the easiest and fastest way to make castor oil at home. The consistency is thicker than most of the homemade oils I've been making. So this is very useful. You can store your castor oil in an airtight container and use it on your scalp and on your hair. It's very beneficial for your skin and hair health as well. Thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you have learned one or two things from me today. And if you're new to my channel, please remember to subscribe to this channel so that you will be able to watch other interesting and useful videos such as this. And also you can share this video with your friends and loved ones. Stay tuned and watch out for other interesting videos. Bye for now.